Happy birthday, Mav!
Miss you, Mav!
What's your message, B?
Love you, Mav.
Show your real face, B.
Binibining Maria Venice, maligayang ika-10 kaarawan. Balita ko ikaw ay isang ganap ng dalaga. Kaya ang aming payo ay mag-English bigla. Aming hiling ay ikaw ay just
Ikaw ay just,
manatiling isang mabuting anak sa iyong mga magulang at mabuting kapatid sa iyong kuyaran. Yun lang, mahal ka namin at maligayang kaarawan.
Manatiling baby. Yeah, forever baby, Mav.
Hopefully, see you soon.
See you soon.
Inshallah, kalas. Bye!
Bye! Bye, B. Hey, Ran, show your face. Bye!
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan, Maria Venice. We love you. Happy birthday. Love you. Love you, love you. See you soon. Pretty.
Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, dear ate. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, ate. Okay. See. Happy birthday, Ate Mav. See you soon. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mavi. I wish you all the best on your wonderful 10th birthday. And I hope you enjoy it and have an amazing time. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mav! We wish you a good health and happiness. See you soon. Bye.
Birthday, Ate Mav.
Happy birthday, Ate Mav. Yay! Tapos na?
Happy birthday, Mav. The only girl. Love you. Ingat palagi. Behave. Good luck sa birthday 17. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Mav, my favorite cousin. I love you. Always stay safe and happy, and I can't wait to see you here in the Philippines. Love you. Mwah. Happy birthday, Mav, my favorite cousin.
Happy 10th birthday to our favorite niece, my Boots, and our one and only princess, Beanie Mav. Enjoy your birthday celebration. Even though we're miles apart, you're always close to our hearts. Dalaga ka na, so stay mahinhin like me. So stay mahinhin like me. Okay? Mula sa kaibuturan ng aking puso, mahal na mahal kita palagi. Love you, Mav! Happy birthday! Beautiful eyes? Beautiful eyes? Ay, say happy birthday, ate. Like kiss ate Mav. Mwah! Again. Mwah! I love you, ate Mav. Yeah, say happy birthday. Mwah! Ay, madaming kiss. Happy birthday, ate. See you soon. Opo. Happy birthday, ate.